Okay, I have what seems to be the remnants of a fireplace dealie. And what I want here is this section here, say from my thumb up. And I will take two of these and mount them right here and hang my drawbar from this location. So there's one. Need to cut. And I have another one. Came in pairs. I know I have another one. Here's the back plate for my 4-jaw. That's the back plate that came on the chuck. Okay. I have another one of these pieces of iron somewhere, and I don't think it's in here. I just broke this off. I was going to use this. God, I hope I didn't throw that other piece away. There's a possibility that I did. That would be a shame. I'll be needing this soon. And this. Yeah, I suspect. I know I threw part of that stuff away. So, a pair of ice grips. I'll just use those somewhere else. Well, that's unfortunate. I only have one piece. But I have a plan B. But man, it's not as good as plan A. Let's go see what plan B might look like. So plan B involves this thing. And if I could somehow attach this to the side, it would be more decorative, wouldn't it? But I'm not sure how I'm going to attach it. I don't think I can weld to that. If I knew how to provide the facilities to braze, I could braze a back piece onto this. I need to get this screwed onto this is going to come off here. Yeah, it might. Got some ugly threads coming here. Okay, I got these cut in half. So I'm thinking kind of like this. But I need like an L bracket. Or possibly just something that I don't want to go to the side. I need to, that's It's not cast, that's just steel. So I need an L bracket. So I got this drawer. I could either break this out and use these, or I could just cut the corner out of this and use the corners. I think this would be ideal if I could get that out of there without too much damage. It must be just spot welded. Okay, I'm going to work on getting this out. Well, here's a couple brackets here. Wonder if I can make those work. How could I make those work? Okay, I'm going to work on getting these off and this off. Well, this is going to wrap it up for the Pratt & Whitney number 13 Jarno taper. Drawbar. I scavenged some, I don't know what it's called, you stack your firewood up on in a fireplace with some brass pieces. And I got a couple of feet for that thing. And managed them on the chip tray. To hold the drawbar. For the Pratt & Whitney Model B 12 by 30 tool room lathe. I just made that last part up. I think it looks pretty sharp. It's really not in the way. And I'll always know where it's at. Having second thoughts on the jam nut, I don't think I'm going to need it. I'm going to try without it for a while. I am going to do a Tommy bar on this wheel. But from looking at the video, I really didn't see it live. But when I twisted that wheel, it did suck that collet in. And I was pretty happy with the tautness of that whole situation. Well, here I am in my natural state. I just figured out, this is how naive I am. I got the last set of turning tools where I thought I was getting an internal threading setup, but I got what I labeled left-handed left-handed threading inserts. Well, they're external threading inserts, and I have a left-handed. I have a internal boring bar that will accept will accept internal inserts. Thank you. I've been putting a package together here. Somebody requested stickers, and I got, a few little odds and ends in here, along with some other people's stickers. Actually, they asked for some set screws, and not confident I can bring up that person's address or identify who it was meant to be. Getting new telephones and just mismanagement of mail files. I can't say for certain who I was putting this package together for. So if you requested the thread-in transfer screws, drop me a line, drop me a comment, email, kimberzelik@icloud.com. Happy with the Drawbar project. I think it's pretty freaking cool. You know what? Most importantly, it works. It has style. And it's bringing back 1943. You know, that's... Now all I need is the collet holder rack that connects to the back of the lathe. I have a T-slot, I guess you would call it. I have this T-slot here that runs all the way down to the end. And I imagine not only maybe part of the taper attachment attached there, but there was something else that I can't quite remember that was put on there for. They have the screws already drilled on this casting. This is for the coolant pump, if I'm remembering correctly. So yeah, I need to make something I can I need to utilize that long T-slot back there. I could have a whole shelf back here suspended from a couple bars or whatever. So we're going to get this cleaned up. I'm going to figure out what sizes I don't have and put a request out for them. This is not only will Pratt & Whitney work, but Hardinge collets also work on there. Maybe it's 7P. Is that the type of collet that is? The Hardinge one says 7P on it, so maybe that's the size. So I'll figure out if I'm missing anything. I think I'm missing 1/2 inch, but this one's pretty tore up, toe up. This will go here and here, and this one holds the outside screw ball. So I'll put these on the wire wheel and get them cleaned up. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm not sure how many were mailed to me because the package was open when it arrived to me. So some of them could have fell out. So we'll have to, like I said, go through these and see if I'm missing anything. Now I need to decide if I'm going to keep my my collet chuck, my 5C collet chuck. It's kind of redundant. Well, anyway, let me leave you with this message. Tell a buddy, bring a friend. Have a great day. And if anybody knows anything about These round inserts. The ones I have kind of suck. Of course, there's no markings on them. They're probably made out of, coming from Asia. They're probably made out of high-speed steel or something. I heard a story once that a customs inspector was alerted to a shipment of brake pads coming out of China, and the weight didn't seem right for the shipment. And what they discovered is these brake pads, the friction material was made out of pressed grasses from the field. Yeah, bootleg brake pads.